Greetings. Today we are making incredible oatmeal banana cake with few ingredients. 100 grams of rolled oats with 100 grams of milk. 1 medium banana, cut into small pieces. Crush the banana until smooth, or use a blender. Whisk 1 egg. Mix banana with egg. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything. Add soaked oatmeal and mix well. Which city are you watching this video from? Pour our product into a baking dish or cups that are suitable for microwave. Please note that our cake will rise a little. Bake in the microwave for 5 to 7 minutes. Product is ready, but if you want to improve it a little more, 1 dark chocolate bar. You can use half. Melt the chocolate in the microwave until it becomes liquid. Brush the top of our cake with chocolate. Let me know in the comments if you have another recipe. Refrigerate until chocolate hardens. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel. Thanks for watching.